Python dictionaries are fancy sets that contain a mapping. Each element has a key that maps to a value. Think of the value as the definition of the key. Our X here is type dict, which of course stands for dictionary. In this case, X has the keys 1, the number 2, and 3. Each key has its own value, the number 1, the word 2, and a list of 1, 2, 3 respectively. To access a value, you can type the dictionary name followed by a square bracket with the key inside. To create an empty dictionary, you just need to initialize a variable with empty curly brackets. This will create an empty dictionary, not a set. Or you can set the variable equal to dict with empty parentheses. To add a key and a value to a dictionary, you act as if you were calling a key, but instead you just assign it a value. So X of key is equal to value. You can see our dictionary now has the key and value in it. To access a list of all the keys in a dictionary, you can type .keys with empty parentheses. Similarly, you can access a list of the values in the dictionary with .values. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. Here are 2 other videos that I think you'll enjoy.